Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more app reviews and tech insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're exploring iPrevail, a mental wellness app designed to provide affordable and accessible support for individuals facing various mental health challenges, such as anxiety, depression, and stress. Whether you're seeking self-help resources or the encouragement of peer coaching, iPrevail aims to improve your overall mental well-being. One of iPrevail's key strengths lies in its personalized approach to mental health support. Following an initial assessment, the app tailors a plan specifically designed to address your unique needs and goals. This customized plan incorporates evidence-based programs, including cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness techniques, empowering users to manage their emotions and stress levels more effectively. Further enhancing this personalized experience are guided activities like journaling prompts, mood tracking, and meditation exercises, which cultivate emotional awareness and resilience. iPrevail distinguishes itself from other mental health apps through its innovative peer support feature. Connecting users with trained peer coaches via text-based messaging, this feature provides a supportive and encouraging environment. This peer coaching model fosters a sense of community, helping users feel less alone in their mental health journey. This human connection is a valuable asset for those seeking interpersonal support alongside self-help tools. Beyond personalized plans and peer support, iPrevail equips users with resources for crisis management. These resources include immediate coping strategies and educational content designed to deepen understanding of mental health challenges and effective coping mechanisms. Whether navigating everyday stress or managing chronic mental health concerns, iPrevail provides a diverse toolkit beneficial at any stage of your mental well-being journey. The app boasts a user-friendly interface and clear navigation, making it easy to access its various features and resources. While iPrevail is not intended to replace professional therapy, it offers a valuable supplement for those seeking additional support between therapy sessions or needing extra coping strategies for managing their mental health. To embark on your journey with iPrevail and take control of your mental well-being, check out the links in the description below.